In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view or cancel your QuickBooks Online subscription. Throughout this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through the process, ensuring that it's as straightforward and stress-free as possible. So whether you're reevaluating your business needs or simply want to know more about your subscription details, you're in the right place. Let's begin by signing into your QuickBooks Online account. Head over to the QuickBooks website. You'll notice the Sign In option prominently displayed. You'll want to click there to start. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to choose a product, and of course for this video you'll select QuickBooks Online. It's essential to be precise here, as selecting the wrong product might redirect you or cause unnecessary confusion. Moving forward, it's time to input your credentials. This step is crucial, so ensure you type in your username and password correctly. After you've entered your information, press the Continue button. If you happen to use two-factor authentication, there may be an additional step involved, which might require you to verify your identity through a code sent to your phone or email. Once you're successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. There you'll see the settings icon, which looks like a little gear or cog. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu containing various options. This is where you'll find essential tools and settings for managing your QuickBooks Online account. In the drop-down menu, you'll need to select Subscriptions and Billing. This section is your go-to for anything related to your plan, including viewing your current subscription details or making changes if necessary. Clicking here will navigate you to a page dedicated to all things billing related. Now, if you're aiming to cancel your subscription, it's time to look for the unsubscribe or cancel option. This is where you'll make the decision to terminate your service. It's important to remember that some users, particularly those on trial or free versions, may not see this option right away. In such cases, you might only encounter an option to subscribe instead, which indicates that you're not currently on a paid plan. If you're a subscriber and wish to cancel, follow the prompts provided. They might ask for feedback on why you're choosing to unsubscribe. Providing honest feedback can be beneficial for service providers looking to improve or understand customer needs. To wrap up, viewing or cancelling your QuickBooks Online subscription is a simple process once you know where to navigate. Whether you're managing your finances more closely or exploring if QuickBooks Online suits your needs, this guide should have given you the clarity and steps needed to move forward with confidence. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.